Hello students, the new question in chapter number 10 is what is an image and how the image is formed in optics. What are the types of images? And the most important thing is also write the rules of sign convention in ray optics. I mentioned the word is ray optics, means it is the important rule for solving the sums or numericals in optics. First of all, what is image? Now when the light rays emerging from any point, remember, from any one point of object, after that after that reflected from mirror and intersect each other at second point, then this second point becomes image of first point. Remember, again you have to remember that when the light rays emerging from any one point of object, after that reflected from mirror, and most important thing, they must be intersect each other at any second point, at any second point at any second point, then this second point becomes the image of first point. There are two types of images, as we know. First one is real image and second one is virtual. Real means it is always be inverted image, means if your object AB is like that is your object, then its image is like that. But virtual image is always be erect, means if your object is AB, then your image is also like this. There is no change in their positions. Now the most important thing in image formation is what? Like in this figure, it is the figure drawn for sign convention, but I have to explain how the image is formed. That is object name is AB, its height is HO. The two light rays emerging from the object is, first one is parallel to the principal axis and then it is incident at any point M of mirror. After that it is reflected and it passing through the principal focus. As it is parallel to the principal axis, then it always be passing from the principal focus when it is reflected, and the another light ray is emerging from the object incident on pole and then it is reflected like this. So that is first reflected light ray, that is second reflected light ray, and they intersect each other here. So the basic condition for the image formation is what? At least two reflected rays must intersect each other, then and then the image is formed. One more time, at least two reflected light rays intersect each other, then and then the image is formed. And the height of image is denoted by hi. Sometimes it is h and it is h dash. Clear? Now for sign convention we will go on a second video. From this point, and the most important thing is what? That is object, and the object distance from the pole is u and the image distance from the pole is v. That one is object distance. U is denoted for object distance and v is denoted for image distance. When the two reflected light rays intersect each other, when at least two reflected light rays intersect each other, then and then image is formed.